Hey Arun.
Hey Laura.
Hey, do you have 5 minutes for some questions?
Absolutely.
That's amazing. So Arun, let me ask you, what is the best part of working in NNE?
NNE is so diverse in nature. We have colleagues across the globe from India, Mexico, parts of Europe, and it's so diverse to work with a lot of people, a lot of perspectives. Yep.
That's great. Okay, so let me ask you another question. If you had to describe NNE using only one word, what would that word be?
I would like to show you something.
Yeah, perfect.
If I would like to choose one word that best describes NNE, my one word would be nice people. People in NNE are so nice that they are so supportive and also understand each other, even though we have a lot of cultural differences. When I first joined NNE, the first thing that I've experienced is this cultural camp, wherein we are thrown into an activity, outdoor activity, where I came across meeting a lot of people outside the department. So there are several people across disciplines meeting together and getting to know each other. I mean, that kind of activity is so important to sense unity and also sense that we are a lot of people with different backgrounds and we need to get on board as one team. Back in the days, I was curious to learn Danish language. So I wrote a blog post in the internal page in NNE asking for help to support me in learning the language. And the day after, I received a number of mails with people looking for helping me out in figuring out the language. I've eventually passed the Danish exam in flying colors. So that would be the best example I could ever guess. Yeah.
That was amazing. Thank you so much for wanting to be a part of it, Arun. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.